Yes.
Hey, what do you mean by a self-paced course?
Well, the course material is available in the form of video lectures. And there are multiple practice problems that come along as well. So, you can access all of it anywhere, anytime. And they are available to you for lifetime.
No way.
Oh, yes, way. Don't delay and enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav. Again, sorry, guys, today my video will not be visible, but I hope that I am clearly audible to you all and the screen is visible. Hi, Nakaj. Hi, Risit. Hi, Tejas. How are you guys? Great. So, great. So, here you guys can see the problem today is copy set bits in range. Okay. Yeah. So the problem today is easy, but yeah, I can say it's quite complex to understand, and also it uses some basic properties of bits. So problem says that there is a number y given to you, okay, and there is a number x given to you, and there is a range from L to R. So first of all, this range is one biased, okay, one based, means starting from one. So what you do? Let's say I'm taking the binary digits of the number only. Let's say I'm taking 10110. Okay, let's say this is the let's say like this also. I'm taking a large number. Let's say this is y. I'm directly taking the binary form of the number, okay? And let's say this is the number x. Okay, this is x, this is y, this is x. Now what they are saying is they are saying that you are having a range. Let's say the range of L and R is 3 comma 6. That means that you have to consider the third bit to the sixth bit of your number, of your y, or let's say it's from 3 to 8. Okay, so basically 3 to 8 means 2 to 7, because we will consume, we will consider zero bits. Like we will assume this as a zeroth bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit, seventh bit, and eighth bit. So we start from zero, but they are starting from one actually. So we will subtract one from there, so that now this is zero based. Okay. So basically this L to R means 0 to 7 means that we have to consider bits from 0 to 7 only. Okay. That means you have to consider bits from 2 to 7 only. Is this much clear? Is this clear that we have to consider bits of y from 2 to 7? बोलिए. Okay, now what we will do, now they are saying you have to check the bits of 7 which are set, and you have to copy it. So you can see in this y which bits are set. The bit 6, so see this bit, this 5, this 3, and this 2. So we have to set these same bits like bit number 2, bit number 3, bit number 5, and bit number 6 in x also. So like x में कौन सी 6, 5, 3, and 2, we have to set them, and we have to return this value. This is our answer. This is what we have to do. So let's see what are the steps. The first step is convert 1 based to 0 based this value of L and R. And to converting, we have to simply subtract it by 1. Like if it is 3 comma 8, make it 2 comma 7. Okay. So what we will do is we will make it L minus minus and R minus minus. That's the first step. Now second thing is, as they are saying that we have to consider only bits from L to R. So we'll have a loop starting from L till R. Okay. Now what we will do? Now how we check? So first of all, what we do? We have to only copy the set bits of y. Na? So we have to check that which bits of y are set. How we can check that? Let's say I'm saying that we have to check whether the third bit of y is set or not. So what we will do? We will get the what we will do? We will right shift. Sorry, we will left shift this one by 3 times. Okay. So what is the value of this one left shift 3 times? What is the value of this? So the value of this will be nothing but it will be 1 and then 3 times 0. Okay, the value of this equation, like 1 left shift 3 will be 1 0 0 0. I hope that you know about left shift and right shift. And now we will we will AND this value. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will AND this value 1 0 0 0 with this y. So if the value of AND is greater than 1, that means that bit was set. And if it is 0, so let's say that we are checking for fourth bit. So if I will have the fourth bit checked, means if I will have the AND with the fourth bit, the value will be 0. Why 0? Because this was 0. So if that particular bit was 0, your answer will be 0. If it is not 0, your answer will be greater than 0. Am I right? Is it clear? So we'll simply take, so if you have to check, so this is basically this is a property of bit, what we do. If you have to check whether the ith bit is set or not. If you have to check for the ith bit, that if it is set or not. So simply you have to make y and one left shift I. Okay, I will tell you guys an article where you can learn about this more. Bit manipulation GFG. This is not the right one. Yeah, so you can see here it's saying check whether kth bit is set or not. So if you have to check whether kth bit is set or simply you have to take one left shift k and do AND with that. So if the value is 0, that means it's not set, as it's set. So this is how we check whether that particular bit is set or not. Exactly, then we are exactly. Okay, so I hope you guys know. So now what we will do, we will check if y and one left shift I is set. So if it is set, now we have to make the same bit set in x also. So now to check whether it is set, we use OR. But if you have to make ith bit set, if you have to make ith bit set, then you do the OR operation. So simply you have to do the OR of x with this one left shift I. So what you will do x is equal to x or one left shift I. And that's all. At the last, simply return your x. That is the solution. So I can say the problem was not much tough, but yeah, if you know these things about bit manipulation, if you know the basic properties of bit manipulation, then it's an easy problem for you. Otherwise, it's a difficult problem. Okay. So you guys can refer to this article and also the article how we can make it set. Okay. So guys, this is the problem. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubts, guys? Please let me know if it is clear. Please a +1 if it is clear to everyone. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Yeah, there is a method naked where we don't have to run the loop, but I don't think that is very much like that much required. It's fine to use this. By the way, there is a method. So what we do in mask, na, in mask we can directly extract this. Let's say the range was 2 to 7. Okay, So we can directly extract this much particular part of the loop, but that will become more complex. And even some methods are not possible in other languages. Okay, so I think that it is a fine problem. Okay, what we are doing. If you want, you guys can explore that also. By the way, but what the expected time was written here, that we have achieved. So that what GFG was expecting, that they were expecting time complexity of r minus l and space complexity of 1, that we have achieved through this particular problem. Okay, so I hope that it is clear. So that's all, guys, for today. Let's conclude this class. Let's meet again next week on Friday. Till then, thank you. Happy coding. Good night. Take care. GFG कर लो, हो जाएगा.